What's up, guys? If you haven't heard about Depin, then this video is all you need to understand it. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this document will actually tell you more about Depin, and link to this will be in the description of the video. So basically, decentralized physical infrastructure networks is what Depin means. So it is the link to the physical world to blockchain by encouraging the contribution of digital and or physical resources such as computing power or storage to a decentralized system. Now, participants are rewarded with cryptocurrency tokens according to their contributions, and Depin's established peer-to-peer resource sharing networks offering on-demand access without relying on centralized providers. Now, by using blockchain, they guarantee transparency, security, and efficient infrastructure growth. And the appeal of Depin within the crypto community stems from its ability to generate revenue based on the utility of the networks and its resources rather than the market speculation that cryptocurrency has. And I know one question that you have is, how does Depin's function, right? So Depin's system integrate blockchain technology, physical infrastructure networks, token incentives, and off-chain operations. And those components work together. The Flux ecosystem is a collection of decentralized computing services and blockchain as a service solution. So offering decentralized interoperable development environment similar to the AWS, and it uses the native POW coin to power the ecosystem, incentivizing hardware providers, enabling on-chain governance, and preventing malicious activities through the staking requirements for the hardware's operation. So this is also one of the articles that I found that is very helpful for you guys to understand what Depin is. So Depin stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, referring to the decentralized apps that use the token as rewards for individuals for providing services through the real-world infrastructures, machines, or devices. So this model challenges traditional approach by enabling organizations to scale from the ground up without needing massive upfront capitals, and its grassroots is from the bottom up approach. So Depin focuses on delivering real-world services using vehicles, robots, and other devices that are governed by the community under the open framework of Web3. So it is a global infrastructure transformation empowering widespread governance and participation, which also drives a new era of economic involvement in the physical world. So Depin represents a shift where individuals can contribute to their communities and earn from the services that they provide, symbolizing the transition from corporate-driven Web 2 to the company-owned Web 3. So there are a lot of information from this article, guys, that will definitely help you out understand what Depin is all about and what you could get out of this one, because again, guys, this will be implemented more and more and more moving forward. So basically, you know, you're future proofing yourself on what we have in stake in the pipeline in the future of cryptocurrency. Now, this is actually the landing page of Flux, guys. Link to this will be in the description as well. Now, the Flux operating system is built on Linux, and it provides verified high availability computing power and leverages blockchain technology to ensure transparent governance. Now, Flux node operators can choose 3 tiers of hardware provided that they meet the required Flux capital, allowing anyone worldwide to contribute hardware and earn rewards from it. So Flux is a proof of work cryptocurrency that is used as a utility asset within the ecosystem to facilitate transactions and incentivize the operation of Flux nodes worldwide. And those are enterprise-grade servers powering the network. So Flux can be earned through GPU mining, trading, or running the node. So as a community-driven project, Its foundation is to safeguard the community's interest, and Flux is a fork of Zcash, and the team actively implements security and performance upgrades from Zcash while continuously contributing their own improvements to the code base. So you can go ahead and check on this one, guys. They have a lot of information that talks about Flux as well on this. And make sure to stay until the end screen videos, guys. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your cryptocurrency journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.